Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster border city. Today we're checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2018 Ford Transit 350 XLT Wagon passenger van. Now the exterior color is an Oxford white, and under the hood we have a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine paired to a 6-speed automatic transmission. Now at the front we have our halogen high and low beam headlamps as well as our daytime running lights. Over at the side we have our 16-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in our Continental tires, as well as we have our rear sliding door on the right side, as well as we have our privacy tinted windows along the back, and we also have our OEM step. At the rear, we have our trailer and tow package, which includes our trailer connection as well as our pin connections, which include the 4 and 7 pin. We also have our reverse sensors paired to our backup camera, as well as we have 2 swing open 90-degree doors. We also have our Transit 350 and XLT, EcoBoost, and Ford badging. We also have an embedded defroster in our rear windows. At the interior, we have loads of driver-friendly features, including tons of door storage, as well as we have power locks and power windows. Over at our steering column, we also have our power adjustable mirrors, as well as our automatic headlamp dial. We also have our traction control and park sensor switch, as well as we have our information trackpad and cruise control settings, as well as our hands-free and volume and controls. And as we look up, we have our auto-dimming rearview mirror with our cabin lights, as well as we have our climate control area for the rear, as well as we have our overhead cubby storage. And as we look at the rear, we also have our 4 rows of overhead lighting, as well as ventilation. And as we look at our interior, we have a beautiful cloth seating, which allows for the driver to enjoy a fully adjustable seat with lumbar support, as well as heated seats for the driver. As we look ahead, you'll notice we have 6,225 kilometers on this beautiful transit van. And as we look over at our CD receiver, we have our LCD screen, which displays our reverse camera as well as our date and time. We also have our radio controls as well as media, including phone connectivity and Sirius XM, as well as AM and FM connectability. And down below we have our emergency lights here and our climate control area, which also includes air conditioning heating throughout the entire cabin and a 12-volt adapter to the right. And now down here we also have our USB in, as well as we have our dual cup holders with another 12-volt adapter, as well as our shift lever with a manual select option with the shifting on the side of the knob of 6 different speeds. And with our dual chairs in the middle, it makes for an easy walkway to get back to our 4 rows of seating, which include 3 seats in our second row, which we can also slide open our door for easy access and capability of getting in for all passengers. And in our third row, we have 3 more seats with an easy walkway to our 4th row, which includes 3 more with another easy walkway to our very last row, which includes 4 seats at the very end of our transit wagon passenger. And that is a total of 15 passenger seating. If there are any more questions about this beautiful Transit 350 XLT cargo passenger van, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. And I would also like to thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.